guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So, long time no see. Happy I'm back. I took some time off, did a couple changes with the look, need to change the scenery. And yeah, so today I had a little free time to myself, so I'm just gonna play around in my makeup. Nothing really planned. I don't have a certain look I want to go for. I just want to play around and just have y'all with me. So if you want to be along for the ride, just continue to watch. Priming the skin, and lately, this is new, so lately I've been using it's from City Colors. I used to use their other primer oil, but this one has a little bit of a glow to it. It's a non-greasy light shimmer vitamin E. So I just do a few drops of that on my face like so. And sometimes, for the past couple weeks I've been liking to do my eyebrows first and my eyeshadow, then the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using this brown eyebrow pencil I think it's the brand Italia. Okay, so I'm gonna color correct, and I'm using some hard candy. Is that the right way? It's a cushion color corrector. So today I'm going to mix my Total Drop, because lately it's been feeling a little bit too dark. So I have a Total Drop foundation in the color Mahogany. You see that? I have that one. Then I have Fenty in the color 370. I'm gonna mix them on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do like 3 drops of the Fenty. Shake this one up. I'm gonna do like 2 drops of this because the Fenty's a little too light and this one's seeming like a wee bit too dark. 3 drops of that. So I'm gonna mix them up on the back of my hand like so. You guys can see that. And then dot it all over my face. I have a lot on my hand right now. Just realized that. Okay, and I love these brushes. My dad got them for me from this little discount store. And I really like them. I really love these brushes. Like, they just get my makeup really smooth. But the thing about it is you have to like massage it in. You can't dab this or stipple. You have to massage it into your skin. It just gives like the best little even coat. So for concealer, I'm going to go back in with this e.l.f. coverage concealer, and I'm going to mix this light one and the third one. And put that into my eyes. Oh, that's extremely light. Let's go in with the dark one then. elf want to be funny. So for my contour, I'm going to use this e.l.f. foundation in the color Coffee. See? And then I use another e.l.f. brush, the blending brush. So yeah, I just take the brush and I kind of like put the product on it like that. Kind of gives it more of a more subtle tone, because I always end up having a really, really harsh contour. So this kind of just makes it like super soft. Or just brush that in. I'm using Set to Perfection. This right here. Oh, my eyes are burning now. Should have closed them. So, I bought this at the Fashion District in Los Angeles, also known as the Alley. People from here know that. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I know for sure it is not the real palette. Okay, but the colors in here are actually really nice, but I don't want to recommend this to anybody because I don't think it's like good for your, I don't know if it'll break you out or something like that type there. I think it's from this website called AliExpress. You guys, I know you guys have heard of that. So it's like off fake makeup, but it's still makeup. I'm just gonna say I'm not gonna recommend it. So I mean, if you guys want to recreate this look, you can use colors of your own from different types of palettes. And yeah, so this brown color in my crease. I have this one. Boop. I'm gonna get a good, and I'm using the Wet n Wild blending brush. Get a good little wop of that. This is just a, no matter, I don't know what color I'm actually using, but I'm saying use this as a transition. See, like the same color as my skin tone, so. And then I'm gonna take this e.l.f. crease brush and I'm gonna go into a deeper brown. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. A little bit of a deeper brown just so I can deepen up my crease. I've been having a lot of problems with cut creases. It's probably just practice, but it's just, to me, it's really difficult to get the shape of my crease and make it look decent. Like, ugh. I'm gonna try today though. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer right up in here. I'm gonna do a matte color. I'm gonna use this one right here. That one. I'm gonna set this. I'm taking a little bit of a dark brown and kind of getting that up in there. A little bit of fallout, no. not the pack, but I'm using the wispy ones. That's just the brand, not the pack. Oh, here they go. Wispy and black cream lashes. I'm gonna use this blush from Tarte. It's called Party. So yeah, that's it. It's Party. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of bronzer and just like brush that over my nose because I like to do that. Take from the Black Radiance contour, just take a little bit, and then just I like to do that. Dust on top of my nose. So yeah. Now on to the highlighter. Today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. So I'm going to spray my brush a little bit. I like to get my brush real deep up in there. Set my complete face with this City Color Oil Control Matte in a Fresh Scent setting spray. I think I'm gonna do my Stunner lip because I just bought it and I like to do it with anything because it's the best lipstick ever. And boom, you're a badass bitch. I just love red lipstick. It makes me feel like, I don't know, I could just conquer the world, especially with this one. It's like the perfect red for my skin tone, for anybody's skin tone. I don't think I've seen this look bad on anyone. And shit, if Rihanna wears it, she's so the fuck, you know. Oh, girl. Alright, so this is my finished look. I just threw in a necklace I got from Forever 21, these earrings from my mom's, and a cute little denim shirt coat thing. So yeah, this is everything. My little cut crease. You know, I think it's wearable. Honestly, I think it's wearable. I don't think it's like atrocious. You know, I've seen worse. You guys like these type of videos where I'm just rambling and just going on, doing whatever? Okay, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.